Hi friends, to make that effect first, download that kind of image from website. Then go to the File menu and choose Place Embedded to insert the image. Press Ctrl T. To adjust the image, lower the fill. Opacity. It can help to adjust the image to the object. After adjusting, make a copy of this layer, which already becomes Smart Object. Then turn off the Copies layer. Go back to the background and select the mobile screen area. Once done, turn on the subject layer. Create a mask. Do the same with the second copy. Select the subject and add a mask. Select the brush tool, switch to the hard round brush. Size around 200 to 300. Use the brush to clean up edges and remove extra areas. With these steps, your mobile screen effect with a clean subject mask will be ready.